Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This evening, words can't express as to what we got to find here in Houtway. People like Auntie Kulsum and the lady that hosted us here this evening. When the people came, they were so warm, they were so welcoming. Usually you get a bit of resistance when you come, but I think when we spoke and we said exactly why we're here, the reason why we come here to put a smile on their face, and I think most importantly was a matter of conversing and speaking to them that we're not just here to give a handout.
Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray! Hooray!
Instaan en zij doet die praatweg.
Nou, je draait de praatweg.
Shukran sê vir almal van julle vir wat julle aan die community gedoen het. Nie vir my nie, vir ek vir my community. En ek hoop dit sal nie die laaste wees nie. Dis maar die begin van die mooiste. Ek het 'n feeding scheme nou vir 12 jaar al. Maar ek het 'n feeding scheme eraan. Out of all 3 pockets, me and her husband and the auntie, we ran a feeding scheme for 12 years, but our pockets is getting empty now. We need help, desperately help. We feed 4 days a week, but unfortunately we can only do 2 days a week. And we actually making food from waste from Checkers and Pick a Pay. We use that veggies to make food.
From the bottom of our hearts, thank you. You could see every person that was here, the expression on their faces and the blankets they got. So, thank
They
you.
really needed it.
They needed that. Thank you.
Okay, inshallah.
Irfan, thank you for Irfan.
Nee.
No, wat is zijn naam? Irfan.
Tasi
Thank you
heroes.
for
Sheikh, I know you work in the community and this is just a group of concerned friends that came together, and the sweetness of Buba, that is what we wanted to share with the people during this month, inshallah. It's been a complete eye-opener for many of us, and I think that when we go home, we enriched with what we have, and we know of those who don't have. So when you work in your community, don't think that you're alone. There are people that are here that you can count on, and that when we have, that we can share as well. I mean, there's Shahin's son is with the organization. There are many other organizations, but we're just a group of friends. But these are the true heroes of this project, and they've come out. I mean, tomorrow's work, not for everybody. Not for everybody. We're not going to say anything about teachers, but alhamdulillah, it's 12 o'clock. It's the next day, but they've come out here and not one person has complained. And that, alhamdulillah, is the essence of why we are here.